before going on finding a goal, or before starting to think about it. We sure have to do one very important thing. You won't be able to start fresh, if you won't be doing this. I know it, because I did it, and still doing. Is this the right time to relax and sit back? Yes, I know this is a strange question for such topic. Nevertheless, stay up and find out the reason of this question. Hi there. Welcome to our Day 3, Valuable Challenge for Freshness. Challenge to learn new things. And this time, things of how to help yourself to stop overthinking and stay calm. Oh yes, don't subscribe if you feel this content isn't right for you. That's fine, I understand. So, who are you? Do you know the answer to this question already? I really hope you do. Nevertheless, if not, this video will sure help you to find this out. So let me help you here first. You're perfect. Really, you are. And I believe you have found out this already, in our first video of this challenge. So what really is happening? The data you have started to receive since your very young age, formed you in a way of you should be and you are today. Then most likely you gained knowledge through your experience. From your family, friends, environment and other people. You were and still are, filling this your glass with many different kind of information. Either good or bad. But think this way, what would happen if you could pour this data out? In other words, if you would clean all the data you have, together with all blocks and disappointments, mean words and other unpleasant things. What would happen then? No, not emptiness. Then you would be at the perfection mode to be receiving things with no questions asked. No doubts and no fears, because then you have no blocks what usually appears, while processing the coming information. At this receiving mode, you become as a perfect vase to be filled up. But this time to be filled up with things which will lead you to your own peace, happiness, joyful days and goals achievements. At this time, whatever information you are receiving, it is still processed based on existing data. Also making conclusions, based on existing data, which gives you the answers also based on it. But also, based on your fears, doubts, blockages you may have, negativity and so on. That's why, when you try to start something new, all of this information is triggering you, and is giving you signals. And most of them signals are warning you, that if you will start things which are unknown, most likely you will get in certain situations which might be uncomfortable. And so such feelings is also giving you fears, because no one likes to feel uncomfortable. Isn't it? But also this means, that by following them thoughts and emotions, you will always be holding yourself back. But once you pour the data out, in other words do the cleaning, then whatever idea is coming up or goal what you want to achieve, you will grab it and you will do this with confidence. I know to pour all the things you have in you out might sound difficult. I am sure there are loads of different types of techniques to do so, but what I would suggest is to start from this one very powerful Hawaiian technique called Ho'oponopono. I will not talk too much and too deep about it now, but the main fact is that this technique has 4 main phrases. Those phrases are very simple, but believe me it is so powerful. Them phrases give you ability to do your inner cleaning, when you become this crystal clear glass. It does help you to have this feeling at certain point, when you feel calm and when any idea which comes up, you just don't question, because you have full trust. Trust in yourself and trust in the universe, or let's say any other higher power you believe in. Those phrases are, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. This you say to yourself, to your connection with the higher power or force. To the inner you. Say it at any order. Also it's not about blaming yourself, when you say, I am sorry and please forgive me. All them 4 phrases are meant for you to actually feel the clearance. When you say I am sorry, this only means you are sorry for whatever negative feelings certain situation caused you. Whatever beliefs, helped create them feelings in you. I love you, for this healing. And so it's all is in your mind. Them phrases triggering the subconscious feelings you have in you. It's similar like the phrases detects the errors, and deletes them. By repeating them phrases, You are basically asking the higher power to help you to erase your limiting beliefs and the false data in you. With this technique, the main thing is that by clearing yourself, you clearing the rest of the world. Clear in certain situations, which you consciously or not, have attracted. Clear your limiting beliefs. So by doing this, you will have certain feelings which is quite hard to explain, but one of them feelings are giving you pure calmness and peace. And once you start feeling them, you heal. When you remove your perception, you can see with total clarity. And you also will be able to receive the miracle of the moment. In other words, you clearing your belief system, which is helping you to see with the real clarity, with no judgments, no worries, and no doubts. So this technique really clears your pathway and makes it so much easier. I am sure you understand well what task we have for today. This time, say to yourself, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me and thank you. There is also plenty of videos here on YouTube, which will help you to use this technique in certain way. For example, listen to this when you go to bed. We sure know our mind is still up at night. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will try this, because honestly, it does work. It does work perfectly. But, you have to try it first. Have a lovely day. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you.